What is up? Seriously, long time no see, right? Or you haven't seen me. I can't see you, but you haven't seen me. Anyways, I have a big mess back here, but it's an exciting mess back here. But yes, it's gonna be fucking messy. So we are going to make a garlic wreath. And you're like, garlic wreath? This garlic wreath can be used for Halloween, or it can be used for just kitchen decor. Like if you like decorating with garlic and you know those giant forks and giant spoons, you can have it in your kitchen. It will look so cute. So I bought some garlic off of Amazon. See these? Let's see if you can zoom in on them. Let's do like the beauty cruise and put our hands behind them. These were $8.54 for a 5-pack. So I got 5 of these bad boys for $8.54 on Amazon. So what you want to do, and you're like, how are we going to do this? Well, we're going to put it on a green wreath form. Why a green wreath form? Because what we're going to do is we're going to wrap it around. We're going to take floral wire and we're going to wrap. Shit, do I have floral wire? All right, let's back the train up. I don't have any floral wire. So this is what we do when we don't have our shit together. Or you can use zip ties. I have tons of zip ties. See peeps, there's different ways of doing things. You figure out what's best for you. If floral wire hurts your hands or you don't have floral wire, use some zip ties. If you don't have zip ties and you don't have floral wire, use some string, use some yarn. Anything that'll work. You're not going to see it at the end, so don't worry about it. You're not going to, this is super easy. This is beginner level. I got you. I got you. I got you. All right. So like I said, get your garlic off of Amazon. Okay. Then you're going to go get your wreath form. This was $5.99 at Hobby Lobby, and this is a 16-inch wreath form. Okay, 16-inch wreath form. So white one would work, or you can get a green one. Does not matter. Okay, but you want this kind because you want to use these. You're like, what are those? Those are floral pins, and we're going to use those. We're going to take this floral wire. You can use the floral wire to attach the garlic too. See, there are several ways of doing this. Several ways of doing this. No wrong way. I think I might just try this. But we're going to put the garlic on. Then what we're going to do after we get the garlic put on, then we're going to take moss. Yes, moss. This is what's going to tie this whole bad boy together. We're going to take moss and we're going to take the floral pins and we're going to pin it in all the empty spots. So you don't see any of the green, and if you use the white foam wreath form, you don't see any of the white. Okay, so here is my, again, 16-inch green or white works. Then get some floral pins, okay, and these were $2.49. Let me show you all the different kinds of moss that you can do. It all depends on what you like, okay? Again, there's no wrong way of doing this. We got this color. We can do this color. This was $7.99 at Hobby Lobby. We got this super moss, which I think I'm going to use most of this. This was $12.99 at Hobby. We got this, which is more of a brown. The first one was a little bit more of a green. This one is $5.99 at Hobby Lobby. So let's get the crafting. All right, guys. So what I'm going to do is, you see how it comes on the strip like this? What I'm going to do is I'm going to cut off this big end because I don't want this big end, okay? So I'm going to cut this off. We're just going to pin those on there right there. I'm going to try these pins and let you know if they work. Let's try these pins. I hope these work, because if so, bam, that would be bomb. If not, I'm just going to use zip ties. And you could do them individually if you want, like, but I'm doing this, I'm going to show you the easiest way to do this. We're going to make this super easy, okay? So I'm going to stick this in here like this. Well, let's find, there we go. There we go. Stick it in there like that. And stick it in. Look. See? I tell you, look. Look, it's stuck just like that. That's all you need. Okay? It's all you need. So I'm just going to use the pins. So I'm going to go around and I'm just going to stick these around, cut off the end, and then stick them all the way around. So there's no sense in us chit-chatting it up. We're just going to fast forward through this. Now I will tell you this, on this last one where I cut it so it doesn't come loose, I'm going to pin these down. Just like that. Just pin it down. But look at that.
Look at that! Look how good this is looking. Oh, this looks so good.
Now I'm going to take my last one and I'm going to size it up, and it looks like I need to cut it right in here. And just stick it in there and then pin it down. Got this cute little wreath holder. How freaking adorable is that? It's a skeleton hand. It's not gonna hold it very good, but I'm gonna make it hold it. Hung up. Now we want to grab our moss, and we can grab our pins, or you can pin it on, or you can do a hot glue gun. If you're going hot glue gun, if you're going hot glue gun, if you're going to hot glue the moss on, make sure that you have your hot glue gun set to low heat. And this is going to be messy. I'm going to tell you right now, it's going to be fucking messy. But it's going to be worth it. It's going to be worth it. Alright, so you're just going to grab some out. If you can do this outside, I would do it outside, because my God, that's making a mess. My craft room is going to be freaking covered in moss. Alright, but it's going to be worth it in the end. How cute is that? So you just stick it down in there. Just keep playing with it. And then pin it in. And you're not going to see the pins. See, every time you move it around, it's going to shed. So that's why I said if you can do this outside, you might want to do it outside because it's going to be messy. But I had to make sure I did it inside so that way. Oh.
We'll see. I think I like this. Well, we'll see. I like how it's just so uneven, and so I like that.
I'm thinking is going in like this. Oh, look how cool that looks. Just a couple like little pieces going in like that. Oh yeah. See that? Have it hanging down. That looks good. That looks real good. So you can decide now if you want the same moss on the outside as the inside or if you want a different moss. Let me show you what it looks like on the outside with this. I think I want to go on the outside with this one. Front side. Oh yeah, that's what we are doing. Woo! Woo! This is looking good. So now that I have the moss around and then I have the moss on the inside, what I want to do is take some of that moss and put it in between these because I really like the look of that. So I'm going to take some of that and just feed it through. Okay. So I'm going to see how this brown looks on it. If I don't like it, I'll go back to the green. Oh yeah, I think I like that one more. I think I like that one more. So what I'm going to do is just take little pieces of it and just run it through. Maybe I don't like it more. I like the way it's all green. I don't like that. See, it's okay to put things on and not like them. The Spanish moss, that's more green. And just take little pieces of it. That's done. Look at that. Look at that. That is so cute. Oh, that's so cute. So tell me in the comments what you think. Tell me. I think it's super cute. I like it. And in real time, 25 minutes, 25 minutes. And that's me taking my time. So this is super easy, beginner friendly. And like I said, if you put some on it and you don't like it, take it off. You saw me put the brown moss on it and I didn't like it and I took that shit off. So you can do this. You can do this. And if you have any suggestions on videos, let me know. I'll do them. I'll try to at least. I'm not very good with being consistent, but I'll keep it in mind. Let's just say that. Until then, here's some close-ups. Peace.